Nihang Dwarbaguri Baptist Church's Fellowship NDBCF was established in the year 1977, and this time around it has reached the milestone of completing 25 glorious successful years. Hence, to commemorate the milestone, Silver Jubilee celebration was observed at Lochinlangso Baptist Church on 29 November. During the joyous celebration, Kamson Rongpar, General Secretary of Karbianglong Baptist Convention, KEBC, Reverend Tenson Bay, Executive Secretary of Nihang Karbi Baptist Association and KBA, Martin Timong, Leader of Youth Department and General Secretary of Youth Department, Nihang Karbi Baptist Association and KBA, attended as a guest of the event. The Silver Jubilee Memorial Stone was unveiled by Reverend Tenson Bay, Executive Secretary of Nihang Karbi Baptist Association, accompanied by Welson Pangcho, Pastor of Lochinlangso Baptist Church, and Mongol Singh Terang, Chairman of Dolamara Municipal Board. The official flag of Lochinlangso Baptist Church, hosted by Welson Pangcho, Pastor of Lochinlangso Baptist Church. Delegates from different churches and denominations came together and shared the moment of joy at Silver Jubilee celebration. Guests and ex-servicemen who were part of the celebration were felicitated with a Karbi souvenir poho. Thanksgiving prayer was offered by the team of praise and worship, Nihang Dwarbaguri Baptist Church Fellowship.
Right, nitong katisip tang labang so pini labang so jadi patun berken itu mengkam ke home ni ando ko
pini jasemet kado gawe atama panir ka chuniri kang tung kedam tangar nam ko pisi klem tang noma labang so ka apan ka chimma tha tu pen akimi ke kroina sta ka chepachiu duji apen hemisi pusame kardoma chithe penge doje pan lapen ke kroitang atumang bong ke kroi ka chepachiu jipan kelana akam stame Pini pen labang so monduli Lochinlangso atum tingkam kimi che yor bon po.
News Desk report for Karbianglong Live.